Hi everyone, my name is Iqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with another trying for the first time video. I'm trying to make it a thing. I don't know if it's already a thing. Let's just hope it becomes a thing someday. Anyways, this video is inspired by Ed Sheeran's song lyric from Lego House. It goes something along the lines of I'm gonna paint you by numbers. Da 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 da. So basically, I am gonna try out paint by numbers for the first time. This is sort of similar to my diamond painting video. Check it out if you haven't already. I got this off of Amazon or Wish, either one of the two, I can't remember. It's been ages since I purchased this. So for those of you that don't know what paint by numbers is, it's literally painting by numbers. Just think of nostalgia, kindergarten, nursery, when they used to just hand out these papers with simplistic drawings sectioned by numbers, and then you have to match the number with the color it's associated with it and sort of just fit it in. As kids, we just used to do that for simplistic designs, but as adults, we need more fulfilling, intricate, harder designs. In my case, if you know anything about me, I love cats. Cats, kittens, furry creatures. Anything that meows, basically. So, naturally, I decided to get this. It's a face of a cat. Let's get unboxing. It comes with mainly three things. The canvas with the drawing drawn on top. So if you can see, that's the drawing printed on the canvas. And it has numbers associated with it. It's barely seen, which is a good thing because once you're done with the drawing, you don't really want the numbers to show through. You also get the only paints that you would require to actually make this painting and brushes. So let's actually get started.
First things first, similar to diamond painting, you gotta iron the canvas to remove as much, if not all, the crinkles from your canvas, keeping the printed side facing down. That's the best I could do. There was still a large fold down the middle, but I just decided to ignore that because I was too excited to start painting. Okay, on to our overhead painting area. I wanted to lay everything properly before I get started. Like I mentioned before, you get the exact number of paints for the specific painting you purchase. In my case, there were 14 colors. That's how the paint looks like if you were wondering. The quantity sure looked minimal, so I was a little cautious using it at first. You also get 3 brushes with varying width, if that's what it is called. I don't know much about brushes, so they seemed good enough quality to me. I barely got to use the thick brush, so that was kind of pointless. I'd rather prefer another thinner brush if it was up to me. You also get these hooks and things, perhaps to hang it up with a frame once you're done, but I just threw them away. And you get a paper version of the painting too for guidance in case you paint over the number on the canvas. Apart from that, make sure to fill 2 glasses of water to wash your brushes, a napkin or cloth to dry them out before switching colors. I also used these tiny scissors to shape my brushes. There were some hair sticking out, so I decided to chop them off. I wanted to test out all the colors on the canvas, but I was too scared to do it on the painting, so I ended up doing it on the side first. This step is totally unnecessary, but just enjoy the images, I guess. Time to finally make a start at the painting. There are a couple of ways you can do your paint by number. You could start from 1 and work your way upwards, or start from backwards, or maybe paint from lightest to darkest color, or darkest to lightest color, or just randomize it. I don't think there is a wrong or right way to do this, and boils down to personal preference. For purposes of filming with ease without my head getting in the way, I decided to start painting from the bottom left and work my way around the painting. So I happen to start with number 4. In the beginning, I was using a lot of water because I was too scared of running out of paint. But I soon learned that you get more than enough of paint and it's better to hardly use any water for the best effect. My strokes weren't perfect at all, but I did get a little better with time. My plan was to film the whole thing on time lapse, but I soon learned that this activity is a proper commitment and wouldn't get done in one sitting. I then just switched to stop motion instead. It was a good exercise, filling in a section of paint and getting up to click a picture before starting the next section. I finished this painting in the course of 5 days. It took me a total of 27 hours to paint, and this included going over the watery portions with thick paint again. I really like how it was coming together, so time for the final reveal. That's the image and that's my painting. Ta-da! So majestic. The lines were still rough, but from a distance, I think it looks amazing. Made me feel like a real artist. I've never painted anything that looks like this, so I was pretty chuffed. The last time I painted on a canvas was back in 2017 when my mom made me paint these two birds sitting on a branch. By the way, both these paintings are up for sale if anyone is interested.
That's all for this video. Hope you liked it. If you do try out Paint by Numbers or you have already in the past, do share it with me. Comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, join my Discord, Patreon, Fiverr, I don't even know anymore. But yeah, that's it. Okay, bye! Anyways, this video is inspired by